Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing the Winter 2019 FabFitFun box. Mine finally came in, and I did already try to film this video once, so I did open one box and the little wrapping, so ignore that. But I'm finally able to actually film now. And Sophia might, here she is, pop in and out like usual. Hey, remember, watch the camera. You got knocked it over. But it's the Winter FabFitFun 2019 box, and if you didn't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription, so it comes 4 times a year, spring, summer, fall, winter, and it is $49.95 each time. And you can be a seasonal member, which means you just get billed every quarter that it comes out, or you can be an annual member, and an annual member is where you pay for the whole year, all up front. And there's perks to being an annual member because you get to select more items out of your box, but if you're just a seasonal member, you still get to select, I think, like 3 items, which I think is what I gotta pick, because I'm just a seasonal. But normally you can try your first FabFitFun box for $10 off, making it only $39, but they had a promotion going on where it's 40% off for the winter box, so I got it and it was $30, so I really only saved like $8 than what I normally would have got for my first box. But I am excited to see what's in here, and I think I remember everything that I picked, so we will see. But first, I had to open the page I was on, but it comes with the magazine, if I can open it correctly. It comes with a little magazine that tells you, like, all the products and everything, and I just had to open to the page. It tells me the value. It tells me the value of everything, but you just flip through, and I think it just kind of explains some things, and I'm not really sure. Oh, cool. There's a crossword. I love crosswords. But we'll just open it up. It was like really nicely taped up and packaged, but I did already open it up. So here is what my box looks. Well, Sophia stuck my beauty blender in there, but here's what the box of mine looks like. And so the first thing that I had already opened, but I'll just show you again. Hold on. Okay, I thought I was going to be good to film, but my kids keep going crazy. Anyways. The first thing that I had open, it was actually the only thing that I got to, was the Bando Bluetooth shower speaker, which is one of the products that I selected to get. And so I thought this would be fun for the kids in bath time, or like just to listen to music while we take a shower. And it is just this little cute little speaker that you suction to the shower wall or the bathroom wall, and you can connect it to your phone and play all sorts of music. I don't really love the design of it. I wish you got some options to decide what design you wanted, but I am really excited to have this, and I think it'll be great to have in the bathroom. And that Bluetooth shower speaker retails for $30 normally, which is pretty much what I paid for the box. So essentially I'm getting all the rest of these products for free, which is nice. So the next thing that is in here is actually another thing that I picked. Woo! I'm losing everything. It is one of the things that I picked, and it is the 111 Skin Harley St. Lennon Rose Gold Radiance Booster. And it is 0.68 fluid ounces. I think all this is like a highlighter type thing, but I'm not actually sure. Oh, wait, no. You actually use it before you put your makeup on. So this is just this little dropper bottle. I'll blind you. And this says, this booster is formulated with Rosa Damascena and pure gold to enhance the natural radiance of skin for coveted dewy lit from within complexion. Sallow skin will become utterly incandescent, and you mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer. Apply to your skin after cleansing. And this is, oh my gosh, that is $135 for this. That is crazy. I would never spend that much money on any skincare, but it just comes in this little dropper. It's like a little rose gold, and I'm just going to drop the tiniest amount because that's probably like, what, $15 a product? But it's just, it feels very nice and thin, and it just leaves a nice little glow to my hand already, and we'll just see if it dries down or not. Oh, that has a lot of perfume. It has like that, rose. It's kind of what it smells like, just like a very strong, like, elderly scent, you know, how you normally think things smell that way. That's what it smells like. And this next thing in here is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. And I actually got one in my Allure January beauty box, which I didn't unbox. Neil's trying a little bit. But I think it's the same mascara, but just in different packaging. The one I got was in yellow packaging, but I like this one a lot more. It's like purple and glittery. And it's what I have on my eyes today, the yellow one. I don't know if there's any difference in the formulation of them, to be honest. They both say 4-in-1 mascara, so I don't know. But it's an alright mascara. It's when I'm wearing the yellow one today, and I don't have like the greatest lashes. But I think they're the same. But this is one of the items I picked, so it was really the only thing that I thought I would like. And this is normally $23. So I'll open up the wand for you. I'm not really a fan of this packaging, but there is what the bristles look like. So it's like a thinner brush, and it's like normal bristles. It's not like rubbery or anything. But yeah, so I am excited to try that. But I think it is literally the exact same packaging, or exact same product, just in different packaging. And so then everything else is a surprise. I don't know what else is in here, but we'll see. This is the next thing that I'm seeing, and this is Black Cleanse and Exfoliate Charcoal Wipes. I'm not exactly sure what you do with those, but I wonder if they're like, this is a very, how do you open this? Open. Oh, okay. For the pursuit of poreless, perfect skin on the go. Draws out toxins and rids impurities anytime. So I guess you can just wipe these whenever you want. Let's see what they're at. For another page. Oh, there's like a lot of products you can get in here. So these wipes are pre-soaked with charcoal and AHAs to cleanse and gently remove dead skin cells. And these are $19.95 usually. So I guess you just, it's just kind of like a easy cleanser on the go type thing. In-flight approved. I don't know. There's 25 in a pack, so it's like a little less than $1 per wipe, which I think is pretty typical for any type of wipe. So I mean, I'm excited to try these. I guess it doesn't really seem like anything that I really need, but oh well. Next is this Victoria Land Beauty Skin Loving Treatment for Eyes and Lips. It's for both of them. Let's see what this is. So it looks like this, just a little tiny tube, and I don't know if this is full size or not, but let's see. Treat the delicate skin around the eyes and mouth for a firmer, smoother looking appearance. So I guess this is like something like, kind of like a Botox, not actually Botox. Oh my gosh, is this the full size? This is $55. It must work very good. Oh my gosh. That's so expensive. Let's see, I put like the tiniest amount on my hand because I don't want to waste any of this product. If this is the full size. It doesn't really smell like anything. This is like a thin, I mean I put it like right here and you can't even tell, but just doesn't really smell like anything, but I'm excited to try it. But that is so expensive, $55 for this tiny thing. Jeez. Okay, next is this Dr. Rogers. Oh my gosh, he's really upset. This is the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, and you can use it on all sorts of stuff. All right, we're just gonna have a little assistant for the rest of the video, I guess. Anyways, this has a bunch of uses. It can be used on chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, it's a pretty broad thing, and baby ointment. Apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails to aid in healing. So this is interesting. Let's see what it looks like in the tube. So, I mean, it looks like a pretty medical tube with the, like, lined lid. It looks like it's in, like, an aluminum tubing thing, too. Oh, and you got a puncture. I love doing these. So, it's just as, like, a thick balm, like, multi-use little balm. Again, doesn't really smell much like anything. It's mainly just castor oil. Seems like castor oil, glycerin, hydrogenated castor oil. Ricinus communis. So like a few ingredients. So it's just a multi-use balm and stuff. And I actually could use it on my hands because from washing dishes in this cold weather, my hands are so dry. So let's see if I can find it. Mr. Rogers, where you at? I don't see it. Oh, wow. I just didn't see it on the second page. So this balm is $30. And what I'm assuming is that you really only need like a little bit to go a long way. So $30 does seem pretty pricey for this, but for a multi-use balm, I don't think it's that bad. Alright. The next thing we have is this Rene Ferterer Paris Karate Hydra. Am I on the freaking English side? Just like that. Hydrating Ritual Hydrating Shine Mask for dry hair. Oh! Ah. I need this. My hair is so dry. It's so dry, so I could definitely use this. So it has some instructions and a little mask thing. So after shampooing, apply a dab of the Hydrating Shine Mask section by section all over towel-dried hair. Leave it for 2 to 5 minutes, detangle, and then rinse thoroughly. Use 1 to 2 times per week. So I am definitely excited to try this out. My hair is really dry on the ends especially, but I've been using this Shine Oil. I actually got my Allure box. I think it was my January box, and it's like a heat protectant, and it does make my hair feel really nice too. But I am excited to try this out. And we will try to find it in here. Okay, so this is infused with shea oil. This mask will give your hair optimal hydration for silky smooth locks, and it's $36. So it's kind of pricey also for this. Seems to be a trend here in FabFitFun that everything's pretty pricey. But for $36, I am definitely willing to try that out, especially since I have some pretty dry hair. And then I just have one more product in here, and it is the Invisibobble Original Duo Pack, the little traceless hair ties. They look like little foam cords. So it comes with 6 in there, which is awesome. I used to have, I just find them randomly. I always lose them, mainly because Sophia likes to wear them as bracelets. But they are Teleties, which is just like another brand of these similar type things. And they were, I think, for like $8 for a 3-pack. So this is $16 for a 6-pack, so kind of around the same price point as the other ones. But I'm definitely excited to try those. I do really like these. They don't really tangle in your hair, and they're easy to wear and just nice to have on at all times. And these are like smaller, so you can put them like on your car thing. Whatever. I don't know, like the wiper thing to keep on there. So that is everything in my box. I don't think that there's anything hiding in here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in here, and I will leave my box values somewhere around here. I'm not exactly sure, but let me add it up real quick. Maybe I will add it up, and we will see. I think I just did the math in my head. This thing will let me know if I was wrong, but I think it's $322 is my box value, which is awesome because I only paid like 30 bucks for it. It's kind of not great right now. But I am really pleased with this box. I think I will stay subscribed because I think it's really awesome. And it's not just like, this one's like kind of beauty, a lot of beauty stuff in here, skincare. But like you can get like scarves and candles, all sorts of stuff in here. Measuring spoons, like kitchen stuff, fitness stuff. There's Vans and a notebook in this one. So I think it's really awesome that it's not just catered to like one specific thing like beauty and skincare. It's like all sorts of stuff, household, lifestyle, fitness, paper supplies, like all sorts of stuff. And it seems like this magazine has some pretty good information in it too. So I'm really excited for this box. I've always wanted to try FabFitFun, so I'm excited that I got the 40% off. And I think I will stay subscribed. I think that'll be like, I'll ask Jake and see if that's alright with him, because he's the one that has the job, it's his money. I'm sure it won't be that big of a deal, because it's only $50 every 3 months. But yeah, I'm really excited for this, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to get started with FabFitFun, let me know. And I also have 3 starter boxes that I can send out. So if you want them, leave your email below. And all you have to do, I think you do have to like sign up for FabFitFun, and you pay $5 for shipping for the box, but it's like over $150 value. I got one from Karen's Corner, her YouTube, and she had one. And all I did after that was cancel my FabFitFun membership just to get the box. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people do that. But I have 3 to send out because my sisters and my mom never did anything with it. So I'm just going to give them to somebody who would like to use them. So if you want those, leave a comment below and I will send those out to you. All I need is your email, I think. All I need is your name and your email, and then I'll send those out. But yeah, just let me know, and me and Wiggleworm will be back again for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully my setup will finally be finalized and I'll have better recording equipment. But I think this looks better than last time. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, leave a comment down below, and follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!